Hello, and welcome back to Tech Review Guide. Today we are moving beyond chat. By March 2026, the era of passive AI, simply asking questions and getting text, is over. We have officially entered the Agentic and Sovereignty era. A truly agentic workflow doesn't just answer you, it reasons through a task, accesses your specific context, and executes actions autonomously. But the biggest challenge isn't intelligence, it's privacy. If your AI knows your next business strategy, does that strategy still belong to you? In this master guide, I will teach you how to build a 100% private AI second brain. We are going to sync a private quantized LLM with your personal Obsidian or Notion notes, making it accessible with a physical NFC tap, all running locally on your hardware with zero data leaks. Phase 1. The 45 TOPS hardware standard. Before we install software, we must address the foundation. You cannot run a powerful private brain on old hardware. To achieve sub-second response times in 2026, your device must meet the Edge AI standards. You need a smartphone with a neural processing unit delivering at least 45 TOPS. For the M5 Max or Snapdragon X Elite Gen 2 laptops, you need 32 GB of unified memory. 16 GB is no longer sufficient for local RAG while multitasking. We will use an NFC tag as a bridge. Phase 2. Installing the private brain, Ollama v4.2. Our AI engine is Ollama, specifically v4.2, released this month. It natively supports NPU acceleration for Windows 11 and Android 15 Plus. In 2026, the best balance of intelligence and speed is Llama 4, 8B version, quantized to 8-bit. We need one that is instruct-tuned with a massive context window of at least 128K. Step 1. In your terminal, type Ollama version to confirm you are up to date. Step 2. Pull the model optimized for PKM. Ollama pull Llama 4. This specific model uses your phone's NPU locally. Phase 3. Building your RAG engine in Obsidian. This is the heart of your second brain. We use Obsidian because it stores notes locally as plain markdown files. We will turn these notes into a searchable vector database using RAG. Index your vault. Use the Smart Connections plugin. Set the embedding model to local. This creates a mathematical map of your knowledge. Connect to Ollama. Point Smart Connections to your local Ollama API at localhost 11434. Now your AI doesn't just summarize, it synthesizes your life. It knows what you decided years ago. Phase 4. Hybrid Sync for Notion users. If you still use Notion for team collaboration, you have a major security hole. Every time you ask Notion AI a question, it reads your private pages. The tool. Use Notion Local Mirror. This tool creates an encrypted mirror of your Notion database only into your local drive. Your Llama 4 can index this data, but Notion AI cannot. Phase 5. Zero UI execution, the NFC tap workflow. The ultimate goal is a frictionless interface. We want to ask our brain a question without opening an app. This is where the errand button comes in. This NFC tag sends an encrypted context token in under 200 milliseconds. Tap phone, activate dictation mode, and say your question. Llama 4 scans the local index and speaks the answer. FAQ, security and performance. Let's answer the hard questions. 1. Battery drain. In 2026, NPUs are highly energy efficient. Running Llama 4 uses about the same energy as streaming an HD video. 2. Is this setup really safer than Notion AI? Yes. Your data never leaves your hardware. 3. What about speed? The experience is sub 1 second, making this the fastest productivity workflow of 2026. Building a local-first AI PKM isn't just about speed, it's a fundamental shift. If you are using the errand button, let us know in the comments. Which model are you using, and what's your most complex workflow? Thanks for watching.